the thumbnail of this video, today I'm gonna make this cute little DIY swimming pool, which is also reusable. Like you can also add water and then play with it and then remove the water. So I got this request from two different people who are my dear subscribers. So here are the requests. Okay, so now I know that you guys are so very excited to watch this video. So without any further ado, let's start the video today. So let's get started.
So for this you'll need cardboard, paper clip, old plastic container, paints. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken this plastic container which I had when I ordered something from outside. I don't remember right. But this is what I got, and I'll just trace it out on this cardboard. After doing that, I'll just trace out this white cardboard as well. And after doing that, I'll just take this thick cardboard stripes for the sides, and you can see the container can get fit easily. So before that, I'll just start painting it with blue acrylic paint, and I'm using some teal shade of blue acrylic paint. So after it gets dried, as you can see, it looks something like this, and it will get fit inside this easily. So now I'll just start applying the hot glue gun on the four corners, because the plastic can melt also, so you have to be careful. And after doing that, I'll just see, this is how it will look. But before doing that, I'll just attach these cardboard stripes onto the sides, so that this container can get hidden properly. So after doing that, I'll just take another white cardboard, and I'll just attach these cardboard stripes over here like this, the same way, but into a tiny version. And after doing this, as you can see, I'll attach this on this side of cardboard, which is this empty space. So this will be the seating area. And then I'll just use the same white cardboard, and I'll just make some zigzags for the staircase. So this is how the staircase will get attached, and I'll just stick it over here. After doing that, I'll take these two triangles out of white same card paper, and I'll just stick it on each of the sides of the cardboard staircase. Okay, so once that is done, now I'll just take these white coilings and I'll just stick it over here on these four corners. After that, I'll take this white card paper stripe and I'll just start attaching these tiny pieces of card paper over here. So this will create the side railings. So this is how it will look, like a ladder. And before that, I'll just paint this part into a very light cream shade. And after doing that, I'll just attach the railings over here on the sides. After that, as you can see, I'll just start tracing this side with a pen, so that we have the place empty after applying the paper clay. And now I'll just start sticking the paper clay over here. Make sure you do not enter the line which you have traced. And over here also, I'll just attach the paper clay carefully. And after doing that, I'll just put some rocks as well. Now I'll just take these more pieces of cardboard and I'll just make some tiny chairs. So it's very easy, you just have to see this, and or else you can create something of your own. So as you can see, I'm making two chairs over here, and these are the smallest and tiniest coilings which I've made, and I'll just stick this on the chair so that it can stand properly. Once you've done that, it will look something like this. And also let's make the table. So I've taken this round circle and also the round circle ring, and I'll just attach these two, and then I'll just place a vase, a tiny vase which I've made on this. So now let's start sticking the chair over here. So as you can see, I'll just stick these two chairs and then the table this way. After doing that, this is the bed. So this is the cardboard which I've taken already in this shape, and then I've attached the translucent sheet for the above window, which is also, you can see, the opening. And now after that, I'll just stick these coilings over here on this side, and then I've got 4 other coilings which I'll be attaching over here. So these will be the pillars for this shade, and now I'll just stick this shade on top of it this way. So now let's stick the white cardboard piece which I've kept, and over here I'll just stick that around the swimming pool. After doing that, I'll just take this white foam sheet and I'll just stick it on the corners. After doing that, as you can see, I've taken this craft wire and I've covered this with silver coiling, and I've folded it into this shape. And then I'll just take some more silver coiling and I'll just fold it, keep on folding it until I get a thick piece. And then I'll just apply this over here on the staircase, so that will get me the silver basic swimming pool stair. So now I'll just stick it over here. So I've already made the holes and I'll just stick it over here. So make sure you don't attach it to the bottom, because that will just keep on hanging it over there. And then you just have to attach these. So this is how the staircase looks right now. After that, I've taken these 2 coilings again and I'll just attach these 2 beads over here, and then this cone shape on the top, so that will be the 2 lamps. After that, I'll just start painting the shade with light pink. Okay, so once that is done, now I'll just start painting the railings with white acrylic paint. Those are already white, but I still had to paint them for better effects. And then I'll just start painting the ground with green color. And now I'll just give the highlights too. Now I'll just start making the flowers. So I'll just start with white flowers first. And then I'll paint some red too. After that, I'll start attaching these 2 lamps over here on each of the sides. So this is how it looks after it gets completed, guys. See, the swimming pool is empty, but don't worry. Let's fill in some water. So now, as you can see, the water is already there, and now we'll start putting these things over here. So these are made out of thermocol, so that it can float on water. Otherwise, if you will make any other material, so that will not float on the water. So these are some balls. So the floating rings and the balls are ready. As you can see, this is how it looks, and it just looks like real swimming pool. I just wanted to get inside and splash some water, but sadly it can't happen because it's the miniature version of the swimming pool. So this was the final look, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. And guys, before ending this video, I would like to say that in the ending I've shown how you can also put some fairy lights, and then the effect will be completely different. So wait for that. Until next time, bye bye.
Hey guys, so before ending this video here, I would like to say that if you love me and my work, then please make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to become a part of my FunX army. And also, if you want to connect with me, then follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and also make sure to follow me on my Facebook. So this way I can connect with you all on all the social medias and different platforms. And guys, if you all want, you can comment down below anything that you want to see next in my videos, and I'll try to make all of